Adjust the transparency and blur effect of the control center on one UE.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone. Fella stopped me on the street last night, said everything's alright.
Install good lock.
Get through the day upright. It seems your meal ticket is gone, but life goes on.
Install theme park module.
Imagine something better, yeah, right. Now you're cooking on
Select quick panel, then create new.
the street. Roller coaster, take me to a better
First, select this point to adjust transparency.
Let's go.
Next, adjust blur level. Change to light mode, then custom 2. Tap download and enter any word to save quick panel. Select quick panel, then apply.
When everyday life gets you down, you gotta steal the crown. Got to own it. Don't bitch and moan about it, please. God forbid you scrape your knees, and it's nothing to sneeze at. Oh, I've told you. Oh,
Select quick panel and unuphold to return default.
you gotta get both hands around it and make your own plans. Roller coaster, it's taking over.
Thanks for watching video.